Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that in yesterday's video, I informed you that a heavy war has begun between the Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force in the Amhara region. And according to today's latest reports, several sources confirm massive deployment of Ethiopian National Defense Force, Amhara, and other regional militia and forces along front lines against Tigray Defense Force positions in Amhara. The Ethiopian offensive on Tigray Defense Force positions in Amhara will commence any moment. A new tragedy will be unleashed with massive losses on both sides. Viewers, according to journalists, Tigray government has repeatedly expressed an interest to cease fire negotiations with Ethiopian government based on certain preconditions: full humanitarian access granted, telecommunication and banking services restored. But Abiy Ahmed and his new Ethiopian government seem, however, adamant is settling the political discord with Tigray by arms, as they still not genuinely entertain any negotiation initiative by AU, US, or United Nations. Viewers, now many reliable sources confirm that Ethiopian troops and allied forces have intensified air and ground operations against Tigrayan forces in the northern region of Amhara. Heavy airstrike is being carried out by Ethiopian Air Force in Amhara region. The bombardments hit several areas of Amhara on Friday. Humanitarian sources told AFP news agency aimed growing speculation of a major push by government forces against the Tigrayan forces. And the spokesman of Tigray government, Getachew Reda, told AFP there is a massive move against the Tigrayan forces, which have been locked in a brutal conflict with pro-government troops in northern Ethiopia for more than 11 months. Viewers, according to Al Jazeera news agency, Getachew Reda said there had been mostly air, drone, and artillery bombardment, and reported a major troops build-up, saying tens of thousands are amassed in northern parts of Amhara, including the North Gondar and North Wollo zones. Viewers, Getachew Reda said that the air raids were clustered around three areas near the towns of Wargisa, Vegaltina, and on the road linking the Afar region to Amhara. A diplomatic source confirmed that there had been air raids near Wargisa. Viewers, Getachew Reda said that we are confident We will thwart the offensive in all fronts and more. We will stand our ground until the siege is lifted. Representatives from Amhara as well as federal and military officials did not respond to requests from several news agencies for comment about the reported military operations, which could not be independently confirmed. Viewers, according to reports, there is currently heavy fighting in the surrounding areas of Marsa. In addition, reports have been received from Tigray Defense Force sources that heavy fighting is also underway around the Ghent on the B-22 highway, and Tigray Defense Force near the Ghent has claimed its victories. Viewers, if you remember, in yesterday's video, I informed you that the fighting between the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies and the Tigray Defense Force is intensifying in the Afar region, and many more areas are falling victim to this war. What the Tigray Defense Force is currently trying to do is to take control of the areas near the Afar Tigray border in the Afar region in order to secure the Afar Tigray border. Viewers, the Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force troops are very close to gaining control of Birhale in the Afar region, and Abala on the Afar Tigray border is already under the Tigray Defense Force control. In addition, Tigray Defense Force troops have entered several more areas in the Afar region. Tigray Defense Force has claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers have captured dozens of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers during the ongoing war in the Amhara region, and also shared a picture from Tigray Defense Force regarding the claim that you can see on your screen. Dozens of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers can be seen under Tigray Defense Force control in this picture. So viewers, so far the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.